Northland Dumpsters is your go-to solution for reliable and hassle-free dumpster rental in Lee's Summit, Missouri. Whether clearing out a garage, renovating a home, or managing a construction site, Northland Dumpsters has you covered. Choosing the right dumpster rental can make all the difference for anyone tackling a home renovation, a big clean-out, or a construction project. This service is designed to meet the needs of both residential and commercial customers, offering a range of options to handle any size project. Whether you need minor decluttering or a major construction job done, you can rely on prompt delivery, flexible scheduling, and transparent pricing. Ease your project worries by choosing a dependable dumpster rental service that prioritizes customer satisfaction and efficient waste management. Simplify your project with a reliable dumpster rental just a call or click away. Call 816-588-7819 or visit www.northlanddumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Lee's Summit MO today to learn more and secure a suitable dumpster. Let's make your next project a success from start to finish. Don't wait. Reach out today and experience the difference that quality service makes.